A step-by-step guide on how to build a good habit. Did you know that 40% of our daily actions are habits we perform without thinking? Imagine if you could turn those automatic actions into positive ones. Today, I'm going to show you how to build good habits that stick. Hi everyone, welcome to Mastermind Wisdom. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of habits. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step guide to building good habits that can transform your life. The importance of building good habits. First, let's define what a habit is. A habit is a behavior that becomes automatic through regular repetition. Think of it as a mental shortcut. For example, brushing your teeth every morning without even thinking about it. Building good habits is crucial because they form the foundation of our daily routines and, ultimately, our success. Good habits can improve your health, increase your productivity, and lead to a happier, more fulfilling life. Let's get started. According to researchers, habits form through a process called the habit loop, which consists of three parts: cue, routine, and reward. The cue triggers your brain to initiate a behavior, the routine is the behavior itself, and the reward is the positive feedback you receive after completing the behavior. This cycle strengthens the habit over time. Steps to build a good habit. Step 1. Identify the habit you want to build. Be specific. Instead of saying I want to be healthier, say I want to walk 30 minutes every day. Step 2. Start small and be specific. Break down the habit into manageable steps. For instance, if your goal is to read more, start with just 5 minutes a day. This makes the habit easier to adopt and less intimidating. Step 3. Create a routine and stick to it. Choose a specific time and place for your new habit. Consistency is key. If you're building a habit of exercising, decide to do it every morning at 7 a.m. in your living room. Step 4. Use triggers to remind you of your habit. Pair your new habit with an existing one. For example, if you want to meditate, do it right after brushing your teeth in the morning. This helps you remember to do it and makes it a part of your routine. Step 5. Reward yourself for consistency. Celebrate your progress with small rewards. This reinforces the habit loop and keeps you motivated. For example, treat yourself to a piece of chocolate after completing your daily workout. Additional tips to help you maintain good habits for a long term. Track your progress. Use a journal or an app to monitor your habits. Seeing your progress visually can be very motivating. Stay flexible. It's okay to adjust your habits as needed. Life happens, and flexibility ensures that you can adapt without giving up. Seek support. Share your goals with friends or join a community for accountability. Having support makes a huge difference. Set realistic goals. Avoid setting goals that are too ambitious. Start with something you know you can achieve and build from there. Common challenges and their solutions. Let's address some common challenges people face when building habits and how to overcome them. Challenge 1. You may say, I don't have time. Solution. Integrate your new habit into your existing routine. Challenge 2. I forget to do it. Solution. Use visual reminders like sticky notes or alarms. Today, we learned about the science of habits, the steps to build good ones, and tips for maintaining them long term. Remember, building good habits takes time and patience, but the rewards are worth it. So, why not start today? Pick one habit you want to build and take the first step right now. Remember, every big change starts with a small step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Mastermind Wisdom, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What new habit are you going to start? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.